Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. 2 loads of logs today. One very wet and heavy. I think maple. I'm no wood expert, but there were a lot of maple leaves around where it was. This is aged but wet. Very wet. So we're going to have to open that up on the splitter and let it cure for next year. And another, I'm thinking, is poplar. Again, I'm no expert, but there's some wet and some dry. It's a very white wood. It looks very much like poplar. And we I think we got 2 more loads to get, at least. What do you think, Chris? At least 2 more, if not 3.
I would say at least 3.
Because we still got a stack of cut logs from the same place to haul in. But some of these, yeah, I don't know, that still feels like there's some moisture in it, Chris.
Yeah.
It's hard to say. Was hoping it would be able to burn some of this right away, but some of it's still got some moisture. I'm hoping that we can get some going this year, but we'll see. Anyway, that's a full truckload. And so we got at least a face cord there, and that's not quite a face cord because it was too heavy. Boy, the truck was, well, it's sitting low right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
The truck was sitting really low with that, so we didn't dare take any more.
Even lower than this.
Yeah. Yep. All right, well, we're going to get this off the truck. And yeah, it's all about firewood this year. Well, guys, we got to unload this. Since this is what we're doing today, this is what you're going to see.
Yep. You're piling the dry stuff on the other side, right?
They're very dry. That's ready right now. We're going to put right here in front. Well, this is heavy wet, Chris. I can feel this is really wet, so it's going to go up.
Yeah.
Because it's got to dry.
That's what I thought.
If you pick it up and it feels ready to go,
yeah,
put it down in the front. Like, these are really heavy.
Yeah.
Put them right up on top. They'll dry faster up there.
Yeah.
And then we'll be able to burn them probably this season. I don't know if there's much in here that is really dry for today.
Yeah.
Yeah, any ones for splitting we'll put over here behind me. We got sort of a system we've worked out how we're going to process firewood here. That one can go up. That one's not that fat. That one's heavy. Wet. They're all wet. I don't know if there's going to be any we can burn right away. We might have to open this. Now there's a growing pile of firewood. All this needs to be split. And then that's going to be running the buzz saw. We've got a growing massive pile. Look, you can barely see Chris's head.
Yeah.
Over the top. And it's getting wide.
Yeah, I'm about 5'7".
So we got a nicely growing pile of firewood with Chris there for size comparison, for reference. That's, yeah.
It's only, what, a couple inches shorter than I am?
Your head.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and we still got 2-3 more loads there, so this is going to be good. And that's one trip. We still got 3 more job sites to clean up.
Yep.
It's back, or 4 more. It's backing up on us. That's good. That's how it's supposed to be. So we'll never hurt for firewood again after this year. Down in there is some stuff I can pull out. When we start processing this pile, there's some we can pull out for this season. This is going to be next year. Well guys, we did some more pieces of fence, some fence posts. Chris and I just put in 5 more. And we're tired from all the wood. And Melanie and I cleaned the wood stove pipe, and oh, that was a chore. We had to work on that a while. That interrupted our work for quite a while, right Chris?
Yeah.
But we took some of these, I cut some of them with a chainsaw. The poplar slabs, I cut some chunks out and we threw that in. And we got a hot roasting fire going, because some of the ones on top are crispy dry now because they're so thin. We got a roaring fire going and we're burning off the creosote in the wood stove, cleaning out the pipes. And then Chris and I we got 5 in. We got 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to do. And then we'll have this front row done. Yeah, that's it for the day. We're done. We're exhausted. That was a lot of work with all the wood we've been hauling.
Yeah.
So, that's it guys. This is Troy, Chris, from the
Good night, guys.
Yeah, good night guys. The Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. This year, we have made more progress than ever before.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Oh, boy. Alright guys, hit that bell icon and get notifications. Talk to you later.